Hello, good day to all the employer of Hong Kong. My name is Maria Luisa P. Villarde. I am 43 years old and I am happily married here in the Philippines. I have 3 children. My eldest is 21 years old, the middle is 17 years old, my youngest is 11 years old. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, singing, drawing, and sometimes designing, like an art. I like art. I love children. I love taking care of children. My working experience in Kuwait as a domestic helper, working last 2010 until 2012. I'm the one who taking care the children, the child of my employer, her daughter. That time was 13 years old. I'll be the one who, in the morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. My duties are preparing their meals, preparing their breakfast, washing the dishes, ironing clothes, cleaning all the house. Sometimes I go to the supermarket to buy something stuff. I sleep in the night at sometimes 11 or sometimes 12, and I wake up at 5 a.m. My second employer was 2018 to 2019. I know how to take care of the newborn baby because my employer that time was a freshly married couple. His son is, at that time I'm working with them, his son is 3 months old, 3 months old baby. I give him a shower, I give him food, I change her diaper, I do everything. When my madam will wake up, I'll be the one who clean the house. I give them with the son. I cleaning the whole house, the entire house. I'm washing the dishes, cleaning all the stuff, running on the supermarket. And when I want finish all the stuff, but that time my employer decided to go working in the Kuwait, in the Paris, and that time I used to